We just need to connect the network, which takes days. And then compared to an incumbent legacy vendor, a system like this to implement would take at least 6 months, usually more than a year. And
6 months.
And sometimes as much as 18.
So at least 6 months,
At least.
usually more than a year. But
So
as you know, probably 18.
Yeah, like Abdullah was saying, we had a plan on paper, right? We did not have a commercial agreement. They had been worrying about this potential situation, and so we had a plan, but it was literally on a piece of paper.
Okay.
And the connectivity was cut in early February, and they were like, "Okay, there's only one person,
Let's go.
that
We can do this."
and it's Totogi." And they asked us, "Can you go live in 2 weeks?" And I was like, "You would never ask that of any vendor."
No, wait a minute. You just said 2 weeks.
Yep.
And
18 days.
You've just said that you will take at least, at a minimum, 6 months. And they wanted 2 weeks.
Well, for us, a typical deployment is that quick, right?
Oh, really?
But an incumbent vendor will usually take 6 months to a year.